In this video, we're going to discuss personal pronouns. These are pronouns that you use very often in your conversation. I'll list them and then I'll discuss how they are used. Are you ready? Let's begin. Nominative or subjective pronouns, this is the subject of the clause. These pronouns come before the main verb in a sentence. Let's go through them together. Singular, this means one. I, you, he, she, it. Now the plural, which means more than one, plural pronoun. We, all of us, we, you all, they. Now let's look at some sample sentences. I love horses. You are the best. She studies at university. We live together. You are late. They study together. Now let's look at the objective pronouns. These are pronouns that generally come after the verb or after a preposition, which we'll discuss in a video later in this series. Let's start with the singular again. Remember that means one. Me, you, and notice you is the same in both the subject and the objective pronouns. Him, her, it. It is also the same. The plural, more than one. Us, you, which is also the same with the subject pronoun. Them. Now let's look at some sample sentences. In the singular, tell me. I like you. Give it to him. And the plural, come with us. You are the same age. Give it to them. What is the function of pronouns? How do we use them? They replace nouns in sentences to avoid unnecessary repetition. Let's look at a few examples so you can see what I mean. Here we have mixed uses of pronouns, both the subject and the object. Julia is with tourists. They are leaving soon. So they represents or takes the place of tourists. Both are plural in the third person, they. John likes apples. He eats them very often. So if we look at these two sentences, he replaces John and them replaces apples. And it's them and not they because it's the object of eats. What do they eat? They eat them. They eat apples. Let's look at another example. I enjoy sushi. I eat it sometimes. Here, it replaces sushi. The tree is very old. It is older than the town. It is the subject, and it also replaces tree. Notice that it has the same form in the subject and objective pronouns. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. I have provided some study links below this video for you to look at. If you missed the previous video on basic greetings, you may click the link above or in the caption below. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.